guys, Todd's here, out and about outdoors. We're headed out to do a little pond fishing. Came by this little pond I know about down in here. I want a public park. We're gonna go down, see what's biting. Used to be a good spot to go for bass and bluegills, you know, pan fishing. Oh, the little pond's looking pretty good today. Don't look like anybody here, just me. And it's around, it's around 5:30, 5:45, so yeah, about an hour, 2 hours maybe to fish. Take an hour and a half, see what we can get into. All right, guys, so today's bait's gonna be Gulp Alive Minis. It's the only thing I brought with. I didn't have time to go to the bait store, get some worms. Gulp Alive Minis is what it's gonna have to be. All right, we got her rigged up. Let's see what happens here. Fish on, guys, but I got one. Nice bluegill. All right, there you go on the Gulp Alive Mini. Works pretty good, that Gulp Mini. All right, I'll put him back. That's a nice little bluegill. Oh, we got one. There's a nice one in there. Get him over here, out of them weeds. Oh yeah, look at this one. That's a big old bluegill there, huh? All covered in mud and weeds. Oh yeah, he ate that Gulp Alive Mini. He got that right off of there. Nice dark bluegill, yeah. Should have stopped and got a can of night crawlers, I guess. They always caught really bit good in here on night crawl. Oh, here we go. Somebody showed up there. Nice bluegill coming around here. Swim, 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 buddy. You're coming up here. There he is. Haha, look at that. That's a nice one. There he is. He showed up just for you guys. Nice big bluegill. Well, he took the Gulp Alive Mini off of there too. So evidently there must be a lot of them out there hungry that they're ripping on that Mini like that. I have to rig a little bit different here, see if we can't get a little bit better chance of keeping my bait around a little bit. I don't usually bait like this, but I'm gonna put that Mini here, right like that. All right, let's see what happens. See if that works. Rigged it a little bit differently, kind of jig rigged it, but just with a hook. Usually I like to just take it right through the head, and that lets them, you know, really get on it and chew on it a little bit. But there we got another fish. He's digging. Must be a pretty decent sized bluegill. Yep, look. Yep, he dug us right into the weeds. He's a pretty good, decent sized gill. Yep. Some of these would have worked good for a pan fry, I guess, but we didn't come for that today. We just came down to do a little fishing. There we go, bluegill. Nice gill. Look at that one. Like I say, this here's a public park. Can't believe there ain't nobody else down here fishing, but hey, it is a public park. And it's open to fishing. Pretty nice gill. Look at that. He's I bet you he's every bit up. Well, he's going back in the water. I had to get another one, but I bet you that gill was every bit of 6.5, 7 inches easy. Probably 7 inches, if not bigger. Which is a really nice sized bluegill. It's about the size you want to keep if you're going to keep some. I wanted to talk with you all about a giveaway that the company I work for is doing. Now, I don't usually have anything to do with their marketing or anything like that. I just work in return of goods, but the company I work for is a wholesale distributor of building materials for for different companies, and they deal mainly in millwork. I'm sure some of you looked at and saw my shirt, my safety shirt on one day when I was wearing it. Well, the company is giving away something that maybe y'all would be interested in: a GoPro Hero 6. It's up for grabs. All you got to do to win it is go to the website and answer a question. And you're looking for the website where they have the Therma-Tru True Defense door units. It's a new door unit that the company Therma-Tru is coming out with. I don't know if any of you are all interested in a door for your house or anything like that. It's not that I'm trying to sell you anything. And what they're doing is they're just promoting themselves on this new door system. So if you're interested, you can go there to the website for Reeb Millwork Corporation, and when you go there, click on the link, and I'll leave it in the description there, and you have a chance to win. If you answer the questions correctly, you just got to watch a little thing there and answer the question correctly, and you can win yourself a GoPro Hero 6. All right, and that the company is Reeb Millwork Corporation, and I'm not promoting them to anybody. I'm just telling you this because of the GoPro Hero 6, and knowing that hey, somebody's going to win it. Why not one of the people that support me, right? So y'all go there, check it out, and if you win, let me know. All right, okay, thanks. Back to fishing now. Oh yeah, now we got somebody. Nice bluegill. One big old bluegill. Again, look, they've been beating up on that poor thing out there. All right, there he is. Get him back there. Fish on, guys. Fish on, guys. Yeah. Got another bluegill. Got it moved over here a little bit. This is a really nice one. Look at that. Wow. There's a big old gill here. That guy's, he's bigger than I can make my hand there, so maybe about 2 inches or so. I would say he's around the 9.5 inches, probably, maybe bigger. Get him back. Big ones like that out there swimming around on my table in the winter time here. That's when I want to catch him. Not now, but in the winter time, it'll be pretty good. It'll make a good piece of fried fish on the plate, huh? All right, let's see what we can catch now again. I'll tell you what, feisty little bluegills, huh? Fight pretty good. Yes, they do. Get him back. All right. We need another gulp of live mini here. Tell you what, we could tear through a 12-pack. What I do is I buy the big jar and just refill. It's a little cheaper that way, and then you have that little pack here you can carry around in your pocket. You don't got to carry that big jar that dumps around everywhere, because it always wants to dump. Right? Always wants to dump. Oh, that looks like a little bass. Nope, bluegill. Still nice, got a nice bluegill. Oh, it's a smaller one, a younger one. Ain't quite as old, but still a nice bluegill. Yep. I remember when you never caught them like that in here. There's that many big bluegills in here and bass that everything was big. And I guess that's from years of the farmer never letting anybody in here. But now that it's a county park, people can come down here and go fishing. Well, you know, a couple of them leave. I know I come and get a couple once in a while, you know. You get 6 nice bluegills, you got a meal. For you and your wife, you get 8 or 10 of them, and you can feed a couple kids. Now, some people's kids eat more than me, but, you know, 6 bluegills, that's 12 fillet. You know, nice fillet when they're big. Now, if you're catching little dink bluegills, well then, you know, you get little fillets. So that's why you throw them back and fish for big bluegills. It's simple, simple. All right, let's keep going around here. See if we can get a spot where we can fish here. Got a nice fish again. And half of me wants to stay and fish this slop, and the other half says, what are you wasting your time for? Because I know there's a big one waiting there. It's calling my name. It's saying, run, throw over here. Okay. Get out and about with it, Ron. We'll help you catch. You can get another one. A little bluegill here. Yeah, I'm gonna go back down to the corner over there. I think there was bigger ones in that corner over there, so I'm gonna go back there and then fish there for a little bit, and then if we don't get anything, then I'm gonna head up to the other corner, and then I'm gonna be calling it a night. It looks like it's just about gonna be getting dark here soon, and I don't want to be walking back to my car in the dark. So I'll rig back up. If I get a fish, I'll turn you all back on. All right, we'll do the outro when we get up to the car. All right. Don't ever underestimate the disruptibility of a big bluegill, huh? And they can just tear it up. Oh yeah. What is this? Ay, ay, ay. I'm telling you. Having a blast here. Down to 1 gulp of live mini. Look at that bluegill, man. There's still a bunch of big ones in here. I need to come down here, I guess, and keep a couple, but that's it. This will be the last one, so sink or swim, big bass. We got it. We got the last one here. I think that's about it. Look, he inhaled that thing. I'll give him the hook and the mini. All right, so that's it for tonight. We're out of bait. I'm gonna call it a night. Hey, we have to come back here maybe in a couple days and do this all over again. Who knows? We'll give it a couple days. All right, that's pretty good, huh? Okay, guys. If you know the deal. If you like the video, you know, give me a like. Hey, share. share the video with your friends. Tell people about the channel. You know, we're trying to grow the channel, not stalemate the channel. I've been stuck at 430 now for, my God, a month. It's like we're not growing at all. So maybe, just maybe y'all can help grow the channel. And till next time, all right, tie lines. Take care. God bless you. Beautiful pond though, huh? Look at that. That is beautiful. All right. Moon, huh? How about that? Yeah, well, these guys, they're really full in here. Ground cherries. Huh? Tons of them. Wow. Look at them over there. There's a lot. Well, pretty cool, huh? Free ground cherries. I'll just come pick them. All right. Just wanted to show them to you. They're like everywhere in here. Huh? Pretty cool. In case y'all don't believe me, there's a sign for the park. Somebody else here at the park waiting on their significant other to get done jogging. And yeah, we're back in the car, ready to leave, all packed up. Hey, we had a great time. Really appreciate y'all hanging out with me and fishing, watching the videos. You know, got to come back. We got to come back and maybe do a little challenge here. Bring some bait that we don't know will work, and see if we can get it to work here. There's a lot of bluegills in there, big ones, and there's plenty of bass, I guess. At least one. And the one I lost, I think I lost another one. But anyway, till next time, guys, take care. God bless you, and thanks for watching.